In this video, we're going to be looking at tricks for solving word problems. So here are some hints to help you out. First, you're going to read the question and figure out exactly what it's asking for. Next, you're going to look at our unknown and put it as a variable. So you could use x, p, t, whatever you want as a variable, but that's what we're trying to find out, and you're going to have a variable for it. Then, what you're going to do is you're going to look at your operations and add your operations to your variable. So are we multiplying? Are we adding the variable? Are we dividing, minusing, anything like that? Then you're going to set your expressions equal to a given value in the question. After that, you solve for your variable. And then you're going to write a sentence so your answer makes sense and use appropriate unions. So it's nice that last step, number 6, making a sentence, that helps you say, when you write out the sentence, you're going to look, well, does it make sense? Should it be this much? Okay? Should my number make sense in there? If it's illogical, then you might have made a mistake somewhere. So maybe your operations was wrong or something like that. So let's take a look at our first. So here's my first question. It says, tickets for a school concert are $10 for adults and $5 for students. Write an expression to show the income for the concert. So my income for the concert, I'm going to say is my income. I for income. Okay. We're going to put A for adults. And I'm going to put S for students. Now, if I look at this here, we know my income is equal to my adults plus students. Okay? Now, what's happening to my adults or students? It's $10 for each adult. So if I have 2 adults, it's going to be $20. 3 adults, $30. Every time I'm increasing by 10, or I'm multiplying by 10. So it's 10 multiplied by my adults plus, and now we're adding these together to get my total, and then $5 a student. So $5 for 1, $10 for 2, $15 for 3. So we're always going up by 5. That means we're multiplying by 5, whatever my number is. So that's going to be plus $5 a student. And here is my solution. Okay? Let's take a look at my next one here. So in this one, for mowing lawns, Jill charges $20 upfront, then $5 per hour to mow lawns. Write an equation for her profit. So we're just looking here at making the equations. So not necessarily solving, just making the equations. So I'm going to say Jill is, we know here, I'm going to say it's an hour. So my H is going to be for hours. Okay? That's my variable. The thing that changes is hours. And then we want to know her profit. P is equal to profit. So if I look at this, we're looking at Jill. Okay? Jill charges $20 up front. So no matter what, she's charging $20 to come there and mow the lawn. Then she's charging $5 per hour to mow the lawn. So what are we doing? Am I taking away $5 per hour? Is she reducing $5 an hour, or is she increasing it? She's increasing it by $5 per hour. So $5 an hour. Okay? And that is what her profit is equal to. And there we go. So always write down what your variables are. What are we trying to figure out? We are trying to figure out, in this case, profit. And then we have another variable of hours in there. And that's how we make equations for word problems.